Hello guys, welcome to this short tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how you can create a Waybien account on our platform Waybien Ads, and also how you can connect your Telegram channel or Telegram group to the Waybien Ads platform, so you can make them lucrative and monetize your audience. It will be a short to the point video, and yeah, let's dive into the tutorial. So first of all guys, we go to Google, we type in Waybien Ads and we select the first result. Here we make sure that we select channel owner. After that we click on Start Earning. Then we click on Register, and here we choose I am a channel owner. Here you have two options. You can either register by using your Google account, and it will register you in less than 5 seconds. And you have the second option is by doing it manually, which is what I'm going to do now. Waybien will send a verification email to our account, and then we will have to click on the confirmation link. So we will click on the confirmation link and go ahead. As you can see guys, we managed successfully to create our account. It's super easy, not complicated at all. To create a new campaign, simply click on this button. So now we copy our bot and we go to our Telegram channel or group. We click on Settings. We scroll down and we click on Administrator and we paste it here and we click on it. So as you can see here, it only requires one permission, which is Manage Direct Messages. Then we click on OK. We go back and we copy the link of our channel. We go back to the platform. We click on Next and we paste our channel link in here. We click on Check. Everything looks fine. So now we will start filling in our channel information. So here you put a short description of your channel so that people can see what they can expect from your channel as content. Here you put in some keywords. In my case, it's a football channel, so you can fill in some keywords like football, or sports, or FIFA. I think it's enough here. Then you have to select the creation date of your channel. In my case, I think it's March 10th, so I will put March 10th. Here you put up to 3 topics that are related to your content, so in my case, I will put sport, and I will put maybe health. Now the language of our channel. If up to 60% to 70% or more of your audience speak English, please select English. If let's say 70% to 80% speak German, you have to select German, and so on in this logic. Now we will select English in our case. Guys, this step is very important because based on what you selected, it can determine whether your channel will perform good or bad. So this is the location of our channel, or the location of the majority of our audience. So if you select, let's say, Andorra, but the majority of your audience are from Nigeria, for instance, and we post ads on your channel for Andorra, the Nigerian people are not interested in this content. So that means that the ads will perform really badly, and this will affect your channel in a negative way. And in the future, you might receive even less and less ads. So it's very important to put the location where your audience are from, or the majority of your audience are from. Like I said before, if the majority is from Nigeria, please put Nigeria. If the majority is from UK, please put UK, and so on. In our case, let's put United Kingdom. Here we agree to the community submission policy, then click Next. In this step, we will select how many ads we want maximum to be posted on our channel daily, so the default selection is 10. So if you, let's say, didn't select anything, it will be automatically 10, but here you can, let's say, select 3. After that, here we can choose how much time we want to leave between 2 consecutive ads. So the minimum is 1 hour and the maximum is 6 hours. So let's select 2 hours in our case. And here you can exclude a specific topic that you think it's maybe not related to your content, then you can select it here, and then it will never appear on your channel. So in my case, let's maybe select education. Okay, now we click on Next. So after this guys, the channel will be sent to get reviewed by one of our colleagues. After we submitted our channel for the review, one of our colleagues will review it and then we'll approve it. The approval time can take up to 2 days. After your channel is approved, you will get a $10 registration bonus, and you will also be able to receive ads from advertisers who are injected via our platform Waybien Ads. So this was it guys. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you next time.